Hey gang, how you going? SkyPilot here. Yes, I'm afraid it is yet another parcel. This parcel calls for some celebration. And what's presented here is a very nicely packaged dinosaur with HGLRC written on it. Innovation ignites your life. I think we better slide her open and see what's going on here. Before I get too excited, guys, you got it. That's where she came from. Link down below. These are on special now, which you're about to find out what it is. You got it. Holy moly. Look at that baby. That's the HGLRC Sector V version 2 4S Racer. Holy moly, what a beauty. This is HGLRC's latest innovation. Okay, let's see what's in the box and give you guys an idea of what you will receive when and if you make your purchase. So we get a little 5.8G hammer antenna. We get an HGLRC. This will be your camera mount for the front there. I'm actually going to stick the Runcam 5 orange on here. I'm just waiting for it to come. So that'll be perfect for that. Nicely packaged, so it's nice and safe in transit. That's pretty cool. So I'll just put that there for a minute and just rip through everything else that is in the box. So we get a couple of props here. These are the Gem Fan 51499 props, so packages of 2. I'll actually open one here. And we get a little bag here of goodies. So inside, let's have a look what we've got in here. Inside the bag, we have more bags. We have 4 more bags, each bag containing a nut and 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to hold in your motors and your props. Another bag containing a nice battery strap here. Smells leathery. Nice anti-slip material here on the back here, triple stitched. Looks pretty cool actually. Nice lot of Velcro all the way down. We have some HGLRC stickers. HGLRC Parrot FPV Racing drone. So quick setup guide, quick schematics diagram showing who does what, when and where. Tells you about different channels, frequencies. It's probably quite handy. All to do with finding and flying with your Tyrannus. Okay, that's the box, that's the goodies. Let's get into the drone. So as you can see, it's a pretty decent size. This is actually it's a 5-inch freestyle type drone, 7.5 inch. Prop to prop, you're looking at 174 millimeters. Across the diagonal, you're looking at 226 millimeters. And front prop to rear prop, you're looking at 146 millimeters. And of course, as I said before, this is the 4S, so it comes with your battery to be mounted on top. You can actually mount a battery underneath here. There is room and provision for a strap under here, but I don't think you'd want to do that. And once you've got your Runcam or your GoPro or whatever sitting on top, and you've got your battery up on top there, everything is where it's meant to be. Let's put it on the scales. And we're looking at a cool 332.3 grams. So you can see the stack here, it's an F7, and what I do like about it is you can see it has some really nice rubber buffers it's sitting on, and it looks really sturdy, feels really sturdy too. And if you're wondering what this huge opening at the back's for, besides the VT exits in here, you got it. You can chuck in your DJI Air unit if you want that full immersive HD FPV experience. So that's a real plus with this unit. Otherwise, you can stick with the stock camera up front here. Yeah, the camera at the front is the HGLRC Aurora. Pretty decent little unit. You're looking at a 1200 TBL CMOS, so that should pump out some pretty good pictures for you if you wish to FPV it via the stock camera. You can actually purchase these online with the DJI unit already pre-installed if you want. A little bit dear, of course, however you get what you pay for. So the motors on this are pretty cool. As I said, you can get this in either 3 or 4S or the 5 or 6S. This is actually the 4S version, which sports the FD2306 2450 kV motors. Nice little protective buffer on the end of the arm here. The arms on this unit, you can actually just see you can unbolt them and take them off should you have a breakage, so you won't need to replace all four. So that's a really good feature of this unit. Having said that, they are reasonably thick. I'm saying they're around 5mm, so not much flex in them, and I would suggest they are pretty strong. And some nice protection around the camera as well. It's neatly tucked away in there should you have a front end dive. Attention to detail on the frame again is good. There's nice cable ties around the batteries, nice cable ties around the motors. Everything's welded on, which is another bonus. And you can see up the back here, you've got your HGLRC FD VTX running at 400 milliwatts. That's nice and neatly tucked in. Of course, if you want your DJI unit, you'd rip that out. Yeah, and what I like about this board is everything plugs in, so there's no solder to hook up to your flight controller. So it's all plug in, plug out, which is pretty decent. So looking up back again at the TPU mount, so the hammer sits on there with a little bit of flex there, in case you get it knocked around a bit. And of course a couple of antenna posts here which finish it off nicely, save your wires hanging around the place, getting in the way of things. So there you have it guys, the Sector 5. Again, just waiting for my stinking 4S to come. It's an R-Line 1550 mAh, running at 95C. It's a 4S battery with the XT60 on it. So I'm hoping that's going to be here tomorrow. And that's when I'll do my line of sight and see how it actually performs in the sky. Now, dry weight with everything on, apart from the battery, props, antennas, strap, everything. We're sitting on an even 371.1 grams. So first impressions gang, this thing looks and feels like a pretty decent unit. HGLRC have made it nice and affordable. It's not super highly priced, but bang for your buck, I think it's right on the money. So I think this thing's going to fly really well. So I can't wait to get it up in the sky. I'll stick my Run Cam 5 on the front here and go and have some fun. Any questions guys, drop me a comment. Again, link down below where you get this from, all the bits and pieces from. battery from and all the gear I use from, so right on cue. There goes the neighbour's chainsaw. Thanks for dropping by, guys, much appreciated, and I will see you again very, very soon. This thing is a beauty.